Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm really excited to share with you this super nutritious yet delicious smoothie bowl recipe, which is also vegan friendly and very simple to create. So without further ado, let's get into it, you guys. So first up, I'm going to be taking some avocado, some mango, and some small bananas. Have you guys tried small bananas? I'm also eating watermelon, just wanted to share that with you. No TMI, but anywho, you guys, it's the best way to break your fast. Watermelon. I'm just peeling a mango like so. Mangoes are specifically great for clearing your skin. They help to alkalize your whole body and they're packed full of vitamin C. Makes them really great at boosting the body's immune system. Really good for your eyes and your vision. They can help to lower your cholesterol level. They can help to remove acne and also fight dandruff as well. Just chopping my mango up like so. Also ensure to leave a little piece of mango to the side so you can chop it up later to sprinkle on top of your smoothie bowl for the aesthetics. I'm going to place it into my smoothie cup like so. Now just going to take little small bananas. You guys, has anyone ever tried a small banana? If you have, you will literally never look back at those big, long, artificial GMO bananas. Seriously, you guys, it's life-changing. No exaggeration. I literally live for small bananas. It's like one of the main staples of my diet. Really high amounts of vitamin B, vitamin C, fiber, magnesium. They also contain phosphorus, calcium, iron, zinc, copper, and selenium, which really help to boost the body's immune system. Also aid with weight loss as they really help to fill you up for longer. Contain loads of fiber, which is really good for the body's digestive system, helping you to get rid of toxic waste. So I ended up using 3 mini bananas in this recipe. This is going to be the piece of mango that we are going to sprinkle on top. I'm just transferring it into a bigger blending cup. Now it's time for the star of the show, Mr. Avocado. This will make your smoothie super smooth, creamy, and delicious. Avocados are really nutritious and they are loaded with heart-healthy monosaturated fatty acids. They're also loaded with fiber, and people who tend to eat avocados tend to be healthier as they contain so much good fats. They help to lower your cholesterol levels. They help to support healthy blood pressure levels. Help to prevent against heart disease. They have antioxidant properties. They're also really beneficial for your liver. And they can also help with morning sickness if you suffer from that during pregnancy. And they are really good for your eye health and also good if you suffer from arthritis. And I always like to use a full avocado in my smoothie bowls. I also create my very own homemade strawberry jam, which is refined sugar free, which I'm going to link down below if you want to check out the recipe. And we're now just going to add in some spring water like so. also going to be adding in some organic, extra virgin, unrefined coconut oil. It's really good at boosting your body's immune system, and it's antibacterial. Just adding in a little drop like so. Now it's time to blend it all up. I'm just washing my strawberries. Always ensure to wash your strawberries thoroughly. And this literally tastes so delicious, you guys. These are going to be sprinkled on top. Now it's time to blend it up. I'm just going to move all of that nonsense to the side and act like I'm super tidy. Here we go. Super smooth, super creamy and delicious. The perfect snack or breakfast or dessert, especially in this hot weather. It just tastes so lush, you guys. The best things about it is it's literally nurturing and nourishing your body, healing your body from within, boosting your body's immune system. So it's practically guilt-free pleasure. You guys, those are few and far between, especially nowadays. Actually, comment down below what's one of your non-guilty pleasures. I'm just interested to know. I'm curious. So it's time to make it super beautiful and aesthetically pleasing. And I'm going to be taking organic shelled hemp seeds, which are one of my favorite things ever, you guys. Literally no exaggeration. This on a smoothie is literally my idea of heaven. So crunchy and so delicious, and they are packed full of minerals that nourish and really leave your body feeling boosted with energy. Really high in fiber, and they're packed full of vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, and they're also rich in fatty acids. I'm so sorry, you guys, that's my window banging. It's just so hot, you guys. They contain really high amounts of vitamin E, calcium, iron, zinc, sulfur, and potassium, and phosphorus. Fun fact, you guys, they are from the same species as cannabis, marijuana, but they're a different variety, and they only contain like trace amounts of the psychoactive compound in marijuana, and they're so nutritious. I cannot stress enough the amazing benefits on your body. I literally swapped chia seeds for these. It's literally a no-brainer for me. I prefer these every day over chia seeds. Although, however, that's my very humble opinion. How beautiful does this look, you guys? Almost too good to eat. Voila, job done. And you guys, you can get creative with this. Like I said, you can choose whatever you're into to sprinkle it with. You can have some walnuts, some whatever your favorite nuts are. Just knock yourself out, get creative. And please do leave me a comment down below if you did recreate any of these smoothie bowls, because I love to see you guys creating them. And thank you guys so much for watching. All that's left to do is enjoy. I'm going to be enjoying this with my little beautiful sunshine outside, and it's beautiful and sunny today. So very much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share if you can. I love you guys so very much, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you do recreate these smoothie bowls, as it's good for you, good for the animals, and good for the planet. I love you guys. See you in my next upload. Peace and love and light.